Good morning, my dear students, grade 1 intermediate. Nice to meet you this morning in lesson 4B, going camping. And in today's lesson, we're going to focus on grammar. And in the grammar lesson, we're going to focus on the use of the verb must. First of all, the verb must means obligation. That is, you must do something. We're going to focus on the forms of the use of the verb must in the affirmative form, negative form, question form, and in short answers of questions. Let's start with the affirmative form. If you can see, the verb must used with the base form of the verb go with all these personal pronouns from I, you singular, he, she, it, we, you plural, they. So we say must go, I must go, she must go, we must go, you must go. As you can see here, must doesn't change. We don't add anything to the verb must. The verb that comes after must should be in the base form too. That is without to, without ing, s, ed, etc. In the negative, we keep the same personal pronouns and mustn't, which is the short form of must not, must becomes mustn't, and mustn't is the short form of must not. So we can say I mustn't go, she mustn't go, you plural mustn't go, etc. In the question form, we start the question by must, then one of these personal pronouns, then the base form of the verb, and then question mark. For example, must you go, must she go, must it go, must we go, etc. When we answer these questions, we have to use short answers. If the answer is positive, we start it with yes, comma, and then we add one of these personal pronouns and then the verb must. For example, I refer the question, must you go? Yes, I must. Or, must she go? If the answer is positive, yes, comma, she must. If the answer is negative, we start the answer by no, and then comma, and then one of these personal pronouns, and then the negative form of must not, which is mustn't, the short form of must not. For example, no, I mustn't. No, you mustn't. No, she mustn't, etc. Let's complete the sentences from 1 to 6 with must or mustn't. As I told you, mustn't, that is, you are obliged to do something. Must, it means you are obliged to do something. And mustn't, it means you are obliged not to do something. Let's start with the first sentence. You, blank, forget to take a first aid kit with you on your trip. You, yes, you mustn't forget to take a first aid kit with you on your trip. Sentence number 2. I, blank, do washing up today. It's my turn. Yes, your answer is mustn't. I mustn't do the washing up today. It's my turn. Sentence number 3. You, blank, wake James up. He's late for school again. Your answer is excellent. You must wake James up. Number 4. You blank take a tent and sleeping bag with you when you go camping. The answer is you must take a tent and sleeping bag with you when you go camping. Sentence number 5. You blank drink water from rivers or lakes when you are in a forest. You blank take bottled water with you. Verse number 1. You mustn't drink water from rivers or lakes when you are in a forest. Yes, you must take bottled water with you. Last sentence. I blank leave now. It's very late and it's getting dark. I must leave now. It's late, very late, and it's getting dark. That's it for today. Enjoy yourselves. Stay at home. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye.